Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to create discount codes in Shopify to boost sales. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app. First, download and open the Shopify application from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Go to the Discount section tab on the three-line menu at the bottom. Scroll down and find the Discounts option. Tap on it. Step 3. Create a new discount. Tap on Create Discount. Then choose the discount type. For example, I am selecting Amount Off Products. Step 4. Enter discount details. Discount code. Enter a unique code. Discount value. Set the amount or percentage off. Purchase requirement. Choose if a minimum purchase is needed. Combinations and limits. You can set usage limits, e.g. only for the first 50 customers. Step 5. Save and activate. Once all details are set, tap Save. Your discount code is now active and ready to use. That's all for today's video. Hope you have understood how to create discount codes in Shopify to boost sales. If you still have any doubts, drop a comment and I'll definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.